The commander of Zimbabwe National Army, Lieutenant General Walter Tafmane, has called on 15 newly promoted colonels to treat their elevation as a demanding call to service, urging them to embrace innovation, discipline, and responsibility. Since 15 ZNA officers promoted to colonels. That was subscribe or like out on the bell. Speaking during an investor ceremony held at Josiah Magama Tungogara Barracks today on behalf of General Lieutenant Tafmane, Chief of Staff, Quartermaster, Major General Simu Maseko, said the promotion signified both recognition of past performance and heightened expectation of excellence. Lieutenant General Tafmane said the new ranks were a direct acknowledgement of merit rather than luck. In quotes, the promotions come directly from His Excellency the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. You have worked for your promotion. You deserve this elevation. I do not believe in luck, so you deserve it. This is a milestone achievement, he said. Lieutenant Tafmane told the officers that their new rank came with increased responsibility and expectations. This elevation is not just a badge of honor, it is a call to duty. Bringing added responsibilities show that you deserve these new badges by working harder. Lieutenant Tafmane said the colonels must move beyond routine work and focus on contributing improvements that strengthen the organization. Introduce improvements and innovations in the workplace. Don't go for routine issues, go for improvements, go for issues that bring the ZNA to a better pedestal, he said. Lieutenant Tafmane emphasized that effective military leadership requires cultivating strong teams and modeling the right behavior. Domashukar kuda pangwa ine atukuna kuti aiwa General Walter Tafmane vachipromota mamwe officers to colonels. Pina comment section meduzo of kuro imo tulipa msuri page chitiko ichi. So subscribe or like chitwa mabell icon.